Okay guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to deploy the Angular projects to the GitHub page. So I'm gonna base on the document, official document from the Angular CLI GitHub pages. And so first of all, we will need to have my project here to deploy, so I create the new one. So while we're waiting for the packages to be installed, we will create new repositories to deploy the project. And for the GitHub page to be working, and for the free version it should be the public repository. So I leave it public here and create. So I'm just waiting for the project to be installed. Okay, so our project directory, so cd choose, and the next step can be give remote origins, and we go to copy this from here. So project. And after that, the next step is we so I want to know for this because this is just demo, and so I have nothing to share. So yes, okay. So which is deploy. So which we do. And the name of our project. Let's check this wrong here. And so now we move here and we reload. We already uploaded, and we go to setting. We go to the GitHub pages, we deploy here, and we click, and we can see our project here. So in this, you will go to the angular.json. Okay, so in case if your project is not working to the angular.json, and you go to the output path in the options, and you can see you delete your project name here. So and try to deploy it again, try the next step again, but in this case my project is working well, so I just skip it. So that's it for this video. See you next.